Students, today we shall learn about lesson number 6, the land of hot sand, Saudi Arabia. In the previous chapter, we have read about a region having extremely cold climate. In this chapter, we will discuss about a region of the world experiencing hot climate, desert are the area of the world with very low rainfall, which also experiences extreme of hotness and coldness. So the climate of the desert is very extreme climate. Okay, extreme climate means there are very hot during the summer and very cold during the winter season. समर सीज़न में यहाँ बहुत ही गर्म होते हैं और विंटर सीज़न में यहाँ बहुत ही ठंड होते हैं. दो तरीके की डेजर्ट होते हैं, हॉट डेजर्ट एंड कोल्ड डेजर्ट. अरेबियन थर and Sahara are the example of some hot desert, whereas Ladakh and Gobi are the cold desert of the world. In this chapter, we shall learn about the Arabian desert. तो Arabian desert एक hot desert है. Okay. Now location. Saudi Arabia, a country in Middle East, is located in the Arabian desert. It is surrounded by the Red Sea in the west, Arabian Sea in the south, and Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman towards the east. Okay? In the north, there are Jordan, Iraq, and Iran, and in the south, there are Yemen and Oman. Saudi Arabia is a big country but has a small population. सऊदी अरबिया बहुत ही बिग कंट्री है पर यहाँ के जो पॉपुलेशन है वो बहुत ही कम पॉपुलेशन है जो कि थिन पॉपुलेशन. ओके, थिन पॉपुलेशन और स्मॉल पॉपुलेशन. द लैंड इज मोस्टली अ रॉकी प्लेटो which is covered with loose sand. The hills of loose sand are called sand dunes. Okay, what is sand dunes? The hills of loose sand called sand dunes. These sand hills can move from one place to another by strong winds and dust storms. Strong winds, okay, and डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स के द्वारा ये सैंड ड्यून्स মুভ হতে हैं. ওকে, মরুভূমিতে যে ছোট ছোট বালির পাহাড় দেখা যায় তাকে বলা হয় স্যান্ড ডিউন্স. কিসের সাহায্যে স্যান্ড ডিউন্স মুভ হয়? বালির ঝড়. ওকে, যাকে বলা হচ্ছে ডাস্ট স্টর্মস. ডাস্ট স্টর্মসের সাহায্যে স্যান্ড ডিউন্স মুভ হয়. সৌদি আরবিয়া হ্যাজ নো perennial river or lakes. Perennial, that means the river which has water throughout the year. जिस नदी में throughout the year water होते हैं उसे कहते हैं perennial river. पर सऊदी अरबिया में ऐसा कोई perennial river और lakes नहीं है. However, its coastline extends for 260 km. On the Red Sea offers world-class coral reefs including those in the Gulf of Aqaba. What is coral? Coral is one kind of stony substances. Okay, coral के বাংলায় বলা হয় প্রবাল. প্রবাল দেখতে খুব সুন্দর. প্রবাল হলো এক ধরনের প্রাণী. ওকে, and coral reefs, that means প্রবাল প্রাচীর. In the Red Sea there are huge coral reefs. Okay, now climate. The general climate of Saudi Arabia is extremely hot and dry, as I already mentioned. Day temperature is very high, so the sand becomes very hot. Dust storms are common. Nights are cool and pleasant. The summer season continues from May to September. From May to September, there are summer season in Saudi Arabia. During the winter, days are warm and nights are cold. It lasts from October to April. Okay, so winter lasts from October to April. There is hardly any rainfall. The climate along the coastal area is pleasant. Dust storms are quite common. They appear all of a sudden and make the sky hazy. Very limited parts of Saudi Arabia are suitable for cultivation. सऊदी अरबिया की बहुत ही कम जगहों पर कल्टीवेशन होते हैं. Water is obtained mainly by the sea. After desalting seawater, it is used for domestic consumption. Okay, so main source of water है sea. The plants having high resistant and less water requirement grow here. Most of these plants have deep roots in the soil. Oases are the permanent source of water. तो डेजर्ट में जहाँ परमानेंट सोर्स ऑफ वाटर होते हैं उसे कहते हैं oases. Okay? Date, palm, wheat and barley are produced here. The people lead a settled life. Which trees are grown here? Date, palm, wheat and barley. Look, their caravan. Caravan are a group of merchants, pilgrims and travelers who travels together. Okay, so the caravan always stay at such places and trade with the villagers. Caravan generally travel in desert and they also do trade with the villagers.